Hi, it's Steve. Today we'd like to show you how to replace the wire shelf for the fresh food section of your refrigerator. It's a really easy repair. Let me show you how we do it. So to do this repair, we simply need to open the fresh food door up. And if you're simply replacing one of the existing shelves, you'll want to remove any items that are on that and discard the old one. If you're adding a new shelf, we simply need to position those in the proper spot. We'll line up the rear rail on that shelf with the tracks on the side, slide it into place, lift it up past the built-in stop, and push it back into place. Now, to prolong the life of the wire shelves, we suggest that you keep them clean at all times. And if you find any signs of rust beginning on them, be sure to clean it well, and you can add a little bit of touch-up paint. And your repair is complete.